How to listen to Spotify offline. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I'll show you how you can listen to music offline on Spotify, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to listen to music offline on Spotify, what you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch the Spotify application. Now keep in mind that in order to listen offline you need a premium version of Spotify. On the free version you will not be able to download songs and then listen to it offline. For example, what you can do is if you have premium, you need to come to the premium section and then make sure whether you have premium. If not, then you have to go to the option called get premium, fill in your payment details, debit or credit card, whatever else is convenient for you. After you do all of that, you'll be able to subscribe to the premium version, and after you subscribe to the premium version, basically you want to come back and then just select a song that you want to download, and then after that you just need to go ahead and tap on the download icon over here. You'll find them right over here next to the playlist that you want to download. Because currently I'm on the free version, I'll not be able to find it, but if you do have premium then you will find the option, and you just need to come to the your library section, and then here you'll be able to find a list of downloaded songs which you can listen to offline even when you're not connected to the internet. And that's all it takes to listen to music offline on Spotify, but keep in mind that you need to have premium. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.